Let's turn this into this. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Dirt Bike Handyman. I'm Nelson, and today's video we're going to continue working on this 2001 RM125. And we're going to start off with the engine, giving it a good cleaning. Alright, my little setup today here is I got a storage bin. I got a milk crate upside down, sitting inside, to clean the engine with. Is diesel. It works really good. And I'm using steel wool, the red one, medium grade. I just cut up into small little cubes and work around in all the detailed area. Let's get started. Doesn't take much. Next, I switched to a rotary power tool with an abrasive pad to work in all the detailed areas. My next step, drill and a buffing wheel, and just polish it up a little bit. Guys, she's pretty much all done. And the reason I say pretty much is I'm going to be opening up the engine to do the top end on a later video. So as I got the engine apart, I'm going to detail it a little more, my personal preference. To tell you the truth, I'm kind of picky that way. My wife thinks I have a disease. She's probably right, because I drive myself crazy trying to be a perfectionist. It's insane. But with a little bit of hard work, goes a long way. I would love to send this engine out to go get Vapor Blast. I love the way that looks. It turns out awesome. But on this build, I want to do it on a budget. Show you guys that you don't got to spend thousands of dollars to repair your dirt bike or to make your dirt bike look good. A few supplies, a little bit of hard work goes a long way. And you can get these supplies pretty much anywhere. I got the abrasive pads and the buffing wheel of Canadian Tire. In case some of you out there wondering, Canadian Tire, it's a chain of stores here in Canada where I'm from, just outside the Toronto area. The rotary power tool I got off of Amazon. That's pretty much it. Guys, if this video has been helpful at all, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.